A World of Willow presents. So I'm a bit bored today. I don't know what to do, so I thought I'd make a video using different voices. Street, have you heard of that World of Willow? Caught blimey! I mean, caught Street. He's actually making a video. Really? Yes! So here's the crack, TubeBube. YouTube. Twitter. Bookface. Facebook. Back to front words. See, get it? No, boring. I am video making. Just for you, YouTube. I think you might like this video because it's just clips that I've got already and a song that I've wanted to use for ages. Would you like to sing along? Good, because you're going to anyway.
Lots of trains to catch, but soon there will be none. I like to buy a bike, but I can't afford a car. Oh, Dr. Beeching, what a naughty man you are. Oh, Dr. Beeching, what have you done? There once were lots of trains to catch, but soon there will be none. I like to buy a bike, but I can't afford a car. Oh, Dr. Beeching, what a naughty man you are.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked the video. I needed to upload one because I fear that if I don't upload regularly, I might lose you guys, and I don't want to do that. Okay, I may as well do this in English because you probably didn't get that in my localised accent that I'm talking in. Basically, guys, I haven't been uploading very much. I'm losing my inspiration a little bit, but that's because the evenings are so dark now. When I made Kev Goes Time Travelling, by the way, I've got nearly 80 views on that, the most I've ever had on any video. Basically, what I was getting back to is, yeah, I thought I'd do something different. I was a bit bored, and I don't want to lose you guys because I'm not uploading very often. So I thought, well, you know, I'll do something different. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, Dr. Beeching was a serial by the BBC set in the 1960s when Dr. Beeching wielded his axe on the railways. But the series, there's two series, you can find them on YouTube. I try and put the links in, but I'm not very good with links, so yeah, okay. But it's got Sue Pollard in it, and it's absolutely hilarious. Go onto YouTube, type in Oh Dr. Beeching, and type in pilot. Well worth a watch. Hope you like it, and I hope you sing along to my video. As for me, I've been World of Willow, and I approve this video.